ètò ní ètò Bisi ológe pẹ̀lú Bisi ọmọ Ẹ̀dúnjọbí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Prince Jídé Àlàbí. Stay tuned.
Thank you.
Yes, sorry. Please let me back.
Thank you. Next, commissioners, please, for the governor of Ogun State and the Sagaya's family. Thank you.
Fantastic job teaching us the basic things of life, about humility, about religion, about family. And the gathering here today is a testament to that. Our mother has built so many people here as family members. We've grown up with so many people here. And today we appreciate all the love, all the humility, all the prayers. And we can assure you all that we're going to take care of her to make sure she's as old as 97. Inshallah, we pray that everybody gets back home safe. On behalf of myself, my cousins, my uncles, my mother, and my brothers, I would like to say thank you very much for coming. And we wish you all the best in your journeys back home. Thank you.
Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.